finally, we get some nice summer weather out here. We're able to get back out in the field, take some pictures of the cars out on the grass, making it look nice, right? Anyway, my buddy Corey brought me in a little Cuda, 69 Cuda. Just wanted a quick splash and dash. He already had the paint. Somebody had already kind of prepped the body. We went over it real quickly, but we didn't get carried away. Basically, sand it, paint it, out the door, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. So here you go. So I don't know what color this is because the paint was lying in the trunk. It came with the car. The car's running a little 318 automatic. Engine's been rebuilt, got a bit of a cam in it. Headers, high-rise, 650 double pumper. Tranny's just your stock old tranny 3-speed. It's got the nice rally wheels on it. Top's in great shape. Tires are good. Don't know much about this car, to be honest, other than that. Like I say, my buddy bought it, and he just wanted to, like I say, someone had started on it, and they had this whole the passenger side here all sanded down, and they were prepping it for paint, and they just gave up on it, and Corey got it. So we just quickly finished sanding the rest of the car, and we painted it. So this is not really something that we really did, except for the paint work. So, but it is a pretty damn straight car. If you look down the side, she looks really good. So there we go. Another one banged out here at OTG. Thanks all you guys subscribing. Thanks for watching. And there you go, guys. The little Cuda is going home. Beautiful sunny day. Corey's going to get that top down on it and do some cruising. So remember, it's always good time at old time.